Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Recently, I made a cake for a birthday.
I didn't had any thoughts of shooting this, but then my aunt said,
बना रही हो तो शूट भी कर लो.
so let's decorate a Black Forest cake together. Actually, I didn't want to post this video. Now you may be thinking why. Not to worry, I'll tell you the whole backstory. I'm not gonna tell you all the recipe and the ingredients like I usually do, but it's story time today. I made this cake for my cousin's birthday, which was last Friday. Each and every element in the cake was homemade. Cake actually came out really well, but while making the video, it kind of went south for me, especially with the whipping cream. It had proper stiff peaks in the beginning, but while decorating, it couldn't stand for more than 2 minutes and started melting. Neither the cake was firm nor the cherry syrup. You can understand from the point when I was smoothing the cake. Then I had to keep it in the fridge, then take out, then keep inside again, then again take it out, then again keep inside. I did this for a couple of times, which was like a chaos and actually made this task pretty exhausting and frustrating at the same time. At one point, I was about to give up. But then this thought came in my mind,
सूरत नहीं, सीरत अच्छी होनी चाहिए.
which means behavior should be better than beauty. I was pretty confident enough with the flavors that my cake is gonna taste good. So, keeping the negativity aside, I continued making and decorating. I had many thoughts for decorating it in a different ways. But at this point, I wanted the whole cake to be in one single piece. So, I worked with the elements I currently have without losing any hopes. And after decorating, immediately I kept it in the refrigerator to avoid the cream to melt. Back of my mind, I was a bit skeptical, hoping it to be firm in one piece. Later, after an hour of refrigerating, when I went to check, I was relieved to see it stand firm and not melt. I was pretty happy then. I received appraisal from everyone for this beautiful cake. So, moral of the story, never leave hopes and always keep faith in yourselves. Do let me know in the comment section how did you like my today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description box. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to try out any of your recipes. I'd love to do that. Till then, take care. We will meet in the next video. Bye.